Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Monday, January 14th. Attached to this video at the end will be the Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead, where I go through a lot of the markets and things that you should be looking out for. So that'll be attached to this video. And make sure you watch that video so you're more prepared for the week ahead. So we'll go ahead and start this watch list out with AMD semiconductor name. Looking a lot better here, getting above the 50 SMA on the daily chart, breaking above the 20 spot here and back above the 5 EMA. So keep an eye on AMD, and I'm also going to talk about MU is on our watch also for the week. Now these I'm looking at for swing trades. As you can see, MU is trying to get back above the 50 SMA, has this $37 area up ahead. So I'll have an eye on MU. NVIDIA is another name in the semiconductor space. Now for NVIDIA, we wanted to take out probably that 149 area, 150 area for NVIDIA. Nice move up on Friday, starting to turn the corner here. So keep your eye on NVIDIA on this name. Looks like a good name to maybe take a swing trade in. So keep an eye on that one. Another one, APHA. This is a cannabis name. This one popped up this week. We got over 16 million shares traded in this name. Came up to about that $7 area on Friday. So keep an eye on APHA. Looks good. AQMS. Big pop in this name. Big volume came into this name on AQMS. So I'll be watching this one to see if there's any kind of intraday setup. AXSM. If you watched the previous video, I told you this one was moving up on news, and so this one will be continue to be on watch for Monday and probably for the week ahead. CFX had a nice move on Friday. We're basing under this $22 area. We have this 109 million shares came in on Friday. As you can see on this pre-post market chart, we came up to in the regular market hours up to about 22.11. So keep an eye on that intraday high on CFX. CGC, another pot stock that moved up nicely this week. We played it a few times in the room. This one trying to get up above that $39 and the 100 SMA here, and then you have the round number up ahead of 40 bucks on CGC. There is a cannabis conference going on this week, so the cannabis stocks will be in play. NBEV is another name to watch. Full disclosure, I am in this NBEV as a swing trade, so NBEV will also be on watch, or one you should watch. CRMD still battling at this 180 spot, 175 spot, so keep this one on watch on that name. Cronus Group, another name you have to watch this week. Now, it's had a nice run from about $10 to $14. Would like a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of a pullback, but that one will definitely be on watch. Cyber, if you like these hacking software stocks, keep an eye on Cyber. Another name is FTNT, is another name that could possibly be setting up on that, so keep an eye on that. Dry Ships looks interesting, DRYS. We had this big pop over 7. Now we've pulled back to about the 10 SMA on DRYS, so this one will be on watch for next week. Fran, if you like these under $1 names, volume 5.2 million shares, keep to FRAN, getting back above the 20 SMA, trying to turn the corner here on that name. GBR. Now oil stocks, we actually got a trade in this after hours on Friday. SAEX was moving up in the after hours on Friday, a big move up. By the way, this is another stock I'll have on watch for tomorrow and for the week ahead. But as far as GBR, we got a trade in this on Friday as SEX was moving up. We played this one over $2. It popped up almost to $2.25. So this name will be on watch as a sympathy move to SAEX. PED is also another name that you could be watching. This was popping up a little bit in the after hours on Friday when SAEX was moving up, so keep PED on watch. One that doesn't look so good, a small oil stock, CEI. Maybe this will turn the corner. They recently did a 1 for 25 reverse split, so if these little oil stocks are going to get moving, maybe the CEI wants to join the group also. Another shipper I'll be watching is GLBS. Keeps battling around this $4 area. The high on this name on Friday was $3.86, so maybe $3.90, $4 break. GLBS, keep that on watch. GOGO. Turning the corner here, holding above the fast-moving averages. The high on Friday on this name was 387, so keep an eye on that. HYRE. Big volume came into this name on Friday, 2.6 million shares. Got up to about that 450 area. Now, I would like some kind of like red to green, a pullback. Maybe it pulls back, and then you get a range break on the opening candle. LCI, same thing. Nice move up above all the fast-moving averages here. Has that $8 area up ahead, 1.4 million shares. So I'll be watching LCI on an intraday chart. Also, LEVB, nice move up on Friday. Volume a little bit light, 300,000 shares. Came up to about that 435 area on LEVB. Could move with the other cannabis stocks, so keep an eye on that one. MU, we talked about already. NEO, if the China stocks want to get going, maybe this NEO will start to turn the corner. Last week, KNDI made a big move up. This is another one that you could watch in the China electric vehicle space. And also back to that NEO, maybe that one will start moving up, so keep an eye on that. PYX is involved with cannabis sector, so keep an eye on this one. Just started to get going, trying to get up over the 50 SMA on the daily chart. 2.3 million shares came into this name. We had a high of $15.86, so keep an eye on PYX. Now, it can be spready intraday, can be erratic, volatile trader intraday, so if you do trade this one, trade it with low shares on that name. Tesla, full disclosure, we're in a swing trade on this. Tesla is trying to hold above the 50 SMA. The high on Friday, 348.41, needs to get up over that 350 area, 349 area on Tesla. VERI, trying to become get up over this $5 area and get up over that. The high was 516. It pulled back from that. So VERI, will be on watch. 1.4 million shares. VHC, another name that you should keep your eye on for next week, as we have this $4 area up ahead. VHC. VNDA looks interesting for a possible swing trade. Maybe up over that $29 area for VNDA, Vanda Pharmaceuticals. VTVT, basing below this $3 area, 1.5 million shares on Friday. So keep an eye on this one. If we can breach that $3 level, we might get a continuation move. Letter X, US Steel, starting to get up over 21. We had a high back here on US Steel of 21.20. Maybe 21.25 is enough to get US Steel going. If you're going to watch US Steel, also keep an eye on AKS. This had unusual call activity from Friday, so keep an eye on AKS, another steel name, a smaller name. YGI popped up, was actually up a little bit in the after hours. This one had news. So this news coming from the trade exchange, YGI signs exclusive deal with Icelandic Water Holdings for cross-promotion and development of new products, including CBD cannabis beverage drinks. So this one will be on watch, YGYI. Some other news that came out from the trade exchange over the weekend. We had Yeti get some news on Friday. Yeti was moving up in the after hours, so YETI. They came out with their financial outlook there. You could pause the video and read that. Some top insider purchases that they mentioned in at the trade exchange, MEET, QTM, DFRG, PSTG, to name a few there. JB Hunt filed a Form S3, mixed security shell myself on JB Hunt. Let's see, President Trump tweeting out some information on the border over the weekend, and PCNG reportedly planning bankruptcy announcement to workers as soon as Monday for PCG. So keep your eye on this one for a possible short. Now, just to mention that the markets, we had a nice bounce. I'm not going to go into every market. You can watch the other video for that. But we did have a nice V-bottom bounce here. I explained that on the other video, which will be attached at the end of this video. Now we're coming up to some supply area here. So keep an eye on TIVX and also SDS. The SDS is an inverse. If the SPY moves down, SDS will move up. SPXU is another one. If the Qs get up to those resistance points that we talked about in the previous video, keep your eye on QID for possible plays if the market starts to tail back off and profit taking comes in on the market. So QID and some of these inverses and also TIVX if we do see some volatility in the markets. All right, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. This has been your stock watch list for Monday, the 14th of January. We'll be out with another video Monday night for Tuesday. Have a great day trading tomorrow, and we'll be back at it with another video on Monday.